Hey Shooby-Doodlers, I am making Valentine's drawings all this week on Draw Stuff Real Easy. So today I'm going to draw the slug of love. It's not really a slug, it's really a snail, and this is the heart is his little house on his back. So what we want to do is to come up here, and then we'll bring that around like that. Maybe a little bit shorter actually, I think that might make it a bit more cute. And then we want this to come up into his eyes, and then that will come across there. Good. Now let's draw this heart in there like that. And I don't think we want it really dragging on the floor, so we can put a little bit of shininess in there if you like. And I think I'm going to start with a little curve there. I'm going to go up and a little sort of bulbousness there like that. Come up and a little bit sort of bulbousness again like that, and then we can come down. I think this needs to come just slightly below the heart, and then a little curl around there, and then we can go like that. And then we want eyeballs, so draw two circles that are fairly similar. Well, you want them almost identical really, don't you? And then almost shade them in, but leave a little bit of white around about 1 o'clock, and then we put a little happy smile, and maybe we can do something like that. And then when you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, you can erase all those pencil lines. And I'm going to give him some just little kind of wiggly little patterns like this, just to kind of separate him from the heart, if you follow what I mean, just to make the heart stand up a little bit. And I'm not starting right on the line, I'm sort of starting just below and just doing these little kind of wiggly lines, just to give it a little bit of texture, I suppose, to our little happy snail. And we might want a little bit of shade in there as well. I'll put a little bit on this side too, I think, just to bring the heart forward. And I'm going to add a little bit of shade on the heart, just these little kind of dotty kind of marks, and that can go off into a dot up there like that. And then also we could do something like that there. I think we could have some kind of marks on there, and then we probably need some kind of grass along there. So if you watch this far, you obviously like drawing, so look, click down here and make sure you subscribe to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back, lots more Valentine's videos. Look, there's if you click up here, you're going to see there's a whole playlist of Valentine's, how to draw Valentine's things. This one's just a little bit of fun today, some are a bit more serious, some are a bit silly.